To send USDT TRC20 in 2025, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a cryptocurrency wallet that supports TRC20 tokens, such as USDT. Popular options include Trust Wallet, Ledger Live, and Binance Chain Wallet. Next, make sure your wallet is funded with USDT TRC20. If you do not have USDT, you can purchase it from a cryptocurrency exchange and then transfer it to your wallet. Be aware of the minimum transfer amounts and any applicable fees. Once your wallet is set up and funded, navigate to the Send or Transfer section. Here, you will need to enter the recipient's wallet address. It is crucial to double-check the address, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. After entering the recipient's address, specify the amount of USDT you want to send. Be mindful of the transaction fees, which are typically a small fraction of the transaction amount. Before confirming the transaction, review the details, including the recipient's address, the amount, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The transaction will then be processed on the Tron blockchain, which typically takes a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, the USDT will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. It is essential to keep your wallet and private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, be cautious when sending cryptocurrency, as transactions are final and cannot be reversed. In summary, sending USDT TRC20 in 2025 involves setting up a compatible wallet, funding it with USDT, navigating to the Send section, entering the recipient's address, specifying the amount, reviewing the details, and confirming the transaction. By following these steps and taking necessary precautions, you can securely send USDT TRC20